Here you're looking at a picture or a pictogram showing you the welding table project and how I think it is going to work, hopefully. So the top left hand corner is the table set up, leveled out in the perfectly level position. You'll see at the bottom there's 4 black things protruding lower than the circular things. Well, the circular black things are wheels, casters. The weird looking things which stick down below them are the leveling legs or the actual feet for stability. Below the table you've got a pink circle, that's denoting a hinge because the tabletop is going to hinge. Then you have the stanchion coming down to the lower leg structure. The lower leg structure, as you can see, has got a pink hinge to the right hand side above it. That's so the front section can be folded away. The reason why I want that front section to be folded away is for space reasons, hence the table's folding in the first place. Now, because I'm making a folding welding table, to get it out of the way because I haven't got enough space to leave it set up, there's some other added benefits, and these are depicted in the lower 3 pictures. For a start, the center of the 3 pictures at the bottom just basically shows it folded away in the folded away position. The casters can now touch the floor and you can roll it about. There'll be some sort of leg coming down to hold it into the upright position, and that same leg will hold it at the different angles. Now, the added benefit of having a table at different angles, you can do draft drawings on it if you want. You might put a chair in front of it and sit down at it and get paper or cardboard on it and have the table up at an angle, which makes laying things out easier. You can have your welding projects up at that angle. There's many added benefits of having a table at 45 degrees, 30 degrees, 70 degrees, all these different angles. So you may find that eventually, once the table's made, as the table folds up into, let's say, the 45, which you're looking at the left hand picture there, at the bottom of the tabletop I could add a 90-degree plate going up the full length of it, or even just clip them on at certain points to stop things falling off the bottom of the table. Well, this is the project I'm going to be making, and I hope it turns out well. I'll need 2 of them. They need to be 3 meters long and 1.2 meter wide minimum width. I really want them to be longer. The project I need to make on the tables is the roof spars for my new garage, and they are 7.6 meters long. So 2 3-meter tables with a 1.6 meter gap in between the 2, leveled to each other, should allow me to set up and weld the roof spars for the new garage. Once the garage roof spars are finished, I will have no need for 2 tables. So I may well be auctioning one of these off on eBay, or just put it for a buy it now on eBay, as it should be an outstanding, very flexible, sturdy, robust, all steel welding table.